So how do you make spaghetti squash? Well, like this. First you need olive oil, butter, garlic, and salt. Don't forget your spaghetti squash. Preheat to 400. Time to gut that bad boy. I only drizzled it with a little bit of olive oil. Just spread it around on the edges in that. Next, sprinkle some salt. Yeah. Next, we flip them over and let them cook for about 45 to an hour. Now that they're cooked, just go from side to side, making it like spaghetti. See how it's like kind of stringy? Sorry, my camera's kind of... A little bit of butter. Some minced garlic. And a touch more salt.